Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the huge vacancies from the multiple departments, and here this notification came from the National Testing Agency. So really it is a very good bumper opportunity, guys. So almost all the subjects are covered here. Okay, it looks like that. And these vacancies are from one of the central university, guys. That means these are all the permanent central government recruitment vacancies. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Now while coming to the present content of the video, so the National Testing Agency released one notification on behalf of University of Delhi. That means whatever the vacancies here we are going to show, all these vacancies are regarding this central university, guys. So once if you selected, you will be placed in the University of Delhi. So it is an information brochure and guidelines for filling of online application form for recruitment of non-teaching positions in Delhi University. Okay. So here the whatever the selection procedure is there, that selection procedure is taken by the National Testing Agency, okay, to conduct the examination or else giving the admit card, all these things. So you may check down here the important dates. So online submission of application form from 23rd Feb to 16th March. Okay, the last date of successful transaction of fee through credit or debit card or net banking is 17th March 2021. But don't worry, guys. Okay, so here the extension notice is there. You may check down. On March 31st, 2021, the National Testing Agency released the Public Notice 3 regarding this recruitment. That is a reopening of the window for submission of online application for various non-teaching posts in compliance of Honorable Supreme Court's decision. Okay, so you may check down that as per this notice, the last date for receipt of online applications will be 28th April 2021. So it is the last date, guys. So eligible and interested candidates are required to apply up to 28th April 2021, and if any payments are there, that the last date is 29th April 2021. Okay, so these are the details regarding the dates, guys. And the application fee for the general or unreserved category 1000 rupees, and OBC non-creamy layer, EWS and female 800 rupees, SC, ST and PWD 600 rupees. Okay, and the date of examination, releasing of admit card, all these things will be announced later, guys. So right now the details are not there here, and I will provide this PDF link at the end of the description box of this video. So you may check down the details clearly. Why? Because here total 105 pages are there in this PDF. So it is not possible in this video to go through the entire and the complete details. So I will just cover the main details, guys. So here you may check down the vacancies here: post medical officer, assistant registrar, private secretary, security officer, yoga organizer, senior personal assistant, nurse, assistant manager guest house, junior engineer civil and electrical, assistant security officer, senior assistant and statistical assistant. Okay, and all these are all the vacancies. Here you may check down. Okay, so the total 51. And while coming to the senior technical assistants, you may check down the departments: anthropology, botany, chemistry, CPDHE, education, East Asian studies, electronic science and environmental studies, genetics, geology, GSC, journalism, linguistics, operational research, physics and astrophysics, plant molecular biology, psychology, social work, USIC and zoology. Okay, and coming to the technical assistant in departments, few more departments here: adult education, biochemistry, biophysics, botany, CA, EMDE, Dr. Ambedkar Center, East Asian Studies, Electronic Science, Environmental Studies, FMS, Geology, Geography, Genetics, GSC, Hindi, History, Journalism, Linguistics, Mathematics, Microbiology, Physics and Astrophysics, Plant Molecular Biology, Political Science, Statistics, USIC, WUSHC and Zoology. And coming to the laboratory assistant also: anthropology, biochemistry, botany, chemistry and Cluster Innovation Center, education, electronic science, environmental science, genetics, geography, geology, mathematics, operational research, physics and geology. And coming to the laboratory attendant, so the few more vacancies are there here. Okay, so you may check down, guys. And so the details of the qualifications, everything is given here. So you may go through all these qualifications clearly. So coming to the laboratory assistant and the technical assistant. So first we will see the laboratory assistant qualification. So pay as per the level 4 essential, 10+2 or an equivalent examination with relevant science subject, graduate with relevant subject. So age limit is 30 years. Coming to the assistant, so pay as 4, essential, a graduate from a recognized university in any discipline with good working knowledge of computers. Okay, so like that the stenographer and the works assistant. Okay, so should have passed 10th class with IT and relevant trade from a recognized institute. So like that you may check down the qualifications, guys. Okay, so go through this one, and the online application is reopened. So you may apply through the National Testing Agency website itself, and you may check down the scheme of examination also. So while coming to the registration for online application, so fill in the basic information and filling up of online application form. The details are given here. So uploading the candidate's photograph and the signature and all the documents, and the payment of fees 1000 rupees, 800 rupees and 600 rupees based upon the caste category, guys. Okay. And while coming to the online registration, so it is the official website, guys. Recruitment for Delhi University 2021, National Testing Agency. So first you have to, do the new registration if you are if you are new to this one, then you will get the application form, all these things, and application number and password. So based upon this one, you can proceed the filling up of further details. Okay. So these are the 4 steps will be there: online registration, fill online application form, upload the scanned photo and signature, and pay examination fee. Okay, so I will provide all the necessary links at the end of the description box of this video, guys. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, please follow the continuation of this video. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNET candidates who are preparing for the UGCNET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UG Senate paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGCNET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide